Now, surface tension is the one property is exhibited by on the surface of the liquid. Number of applications are involved in it. Now I will write only few examples or applications. Surface tension of the liquid is acts as a stretched membranes. Why? One normal line is drawn, in this side force, in this side force. It acts like a stretched membranes by surface tension. Surface of the liquids acts as stretched membranes by surface tension. So, small insects like mosquitoes, flies, etc., and snakes. So, small insects, snakes, etc., crowd on the surface of the liquids or a water. Okay, that can't sink. If you take a small insects that can easily crowd, snakes also crowd, but not sink in the water, not sink in the liquids. Why? The surface of the liquid acts like a stretched membranes by the surface tension. Second one, surface of liquids tendency to occupy small surface area. Surface of the liquids tendency to occupy the small surface area by surface tension. By the surface tension only, surface of the liquids tendency to occupy the small surface area by surface tension. So, liquid drop, raindrop and snow bubble are in spherical shape. Why the liquid drop is in a spherical shape? Why the raindrop is in a spherical shape? Why the soap bubble is in a spherical shape? Answer is surface tension. The liquids, surface of the liquids always try to or tendency to occupy small surface area. Which has a small surface area? Sphere. That's why liquid drop, raindrop, soap bubble is in spherical shape. Let us take another example for surface tension. Hairs of a painting brush. Hairs of a painting brush are spreads inside the liquid when you can dip in it. The painting brush dip in the liquid, the hairs are spreads. But away from the liquid, all are stick together. All are stick together. Why all are stick together? By surface tension. Not only that, in our houses, you take the two same size of a plates. Same size of a plates. Especially we can see that is in kitchen room. Same size of the plates. If we can wash them and take one on another one, all are stick together. When all are stick together, when the water droplets are present between the two plates that are appears as stick together. Why that are happened? Surface tension. Due to the surface tension, when we can take hair bath also, our hairs are stick together. Why? By the surface tension. Okay? Number of examples are there. This is few examples by the surface tension. Now we want to find the how much surface tension. Surface tension is nothing but a force. How much force are present on the surface of the liquid, a line drawn or imaginarily drawn perpendicular to them, that we want to measure. Okay? Perpendicular to the imaginary line drawn. Now we want to verify that. To verify that, what we want to take? We want to take one vessel. In the vessel we take some liquid and you take one pulley from rigid support with one hinge. Okay? With one hinge Here also we take a pulley, no problem, that is our wish. Okay, here also you take one more pulley, okay, from rigid support. Okay, that is our wish. Now here we take one glass plate, another end of the rope is connected to the pan. First we take one vessel, we take some liquid. Which liquid surface tension we want to determine? You take that liquid. The cheapest liquid is water. You take a water. It is a water or liquid, and you take two pulleys from two rigid supports. These are the rigid supports with one hinge. One of the string end is connected by one glass plate, another end is connected to the pan. In the pan we want to take the weights. Now a flat glass plate below glass plate below which a vessel of some liquid is kept forms one arm of the balance. Means this is the glass plate is there. Immediately it is sink in the water or not. So balance that another arm or another end is connected by the one pan arm of balance. Okay. The plate is balanced by the weights. Only you take a pan, only pan, compulsory glass plate is sink in. That's why we take some weights. We want to take some weights in this pan to balance this. It can't be touched to the water in the beginning. It can't touch to the water. Just below of that, a glass plate below which a vessel of some liquid is kept, means the liquid is not contact to this glass plate. But you take a glass plate, it may be sink in the water. To balance that we take this one. Okay, this is the meaning of this sentence. The plate is balanced by the weights on other side, which is horizontal edge just over the water. Next. Now the vessel is raised. This is the vessel with water or liquid. The vessel is raised slightly but not speed. Raised slightly. The vessel is raised slightly till the liquid just touches the glass plate. Means when we can raise the vessel up to we want to just touch the liquid. When we can raise the vessel, in that vessel liquid or water is there, up to which one it just touch to the glass plate but not sink, just touch to the glass plate. The vessel is raised slightly till the liquid just touch the glass plate and pull down. Just touch, then after pull down a little because of surface tension. Okay, means if you take just touch the glass plate, immediately what happen? This glass plate pulls it. Glass plate what happen? Pulls it down a little because of surface tension. Means when the water is just touched to the glass plate, immediately this water pulls this glass plate. This water pulls the glass plate. Why it pulls? You know that one. This is the liquid. It is an imaginary line. Imaginary line. You take this is the imaginary line. In this imaginary line, force is acts in this direction. Force is acts in this direction. Force also acts in this direction or not? It is an imaginary line. When it is just touched to that one, here this water is pulls that. Pulls a little distance. Why it is pulls? Here water is there. It is one molecule. It is another molecule. Between them which force is present? Adhesive force. It pulls. Which one pulls? Water is pulls the glass plate because of surface tension. Now what we want to do? Now we want to bring this glass plate above the water, means we want to bring the glass plate above the water. What do you want to do? Due to the surface tension, this liquid is pulls the glass plate. Now add the weights. When the weights are added till the plate just clears water. Means when the weights are added, slowly you can add the weights, then this glass plate is raised. Up to which one you want to pull, it clears the water. Actually glass plate is just below. When it is which we want to pull, just we can raise the vessel. Just to raise the vessel, it is touch. When the liquid is touch or water is touch, this glass plate is pulled by the water by the surface tension. Now we want to bring this one. Don't change the position of vessel now. Just you change the position of the which one? This glass plate. Added the weights. Up to which one? It is sink up to that one, just clear the water. Then after we want to take a formula. With the help of that formula, we can find the which one? Surface tension. Is it clear about how we can measure the surface tension? Okay, now you want to take the equation form. Now, what is the equation form for it? We know that surface tension, capital T is equal to F by, you take here 2L. Now, F is equal to mg by 2L. Why we can take 2L? Why means here, imagine this is the glass plate. This is the glass plate. When it is touch the water, initially it is not touch. Now it is touch the water. Due to surface tension, it is moved in this direction. When we can lift this by suspending the weight, here water is contacted. Here water already contacted. And one more film is there. That is which one? Air film. Water film and air film. How many are there? 2. Means here the intervention of air and water film. 2 are interfere. That's why we take the length is how much? Not L, 2L. Then you substitute. What is the M? M we know that one. What is the M? M is suspended. You can substitute these values. We can identify the which one? Surface tension of the liquid, or surface tension of, if the liquid is a water, we can identify this. Okay. In this way, we identify the surface tension of the liquids or water. Now, surface energy. It is also similar to surface tension, but one more way. Surface energy. The additional potential energy due to molecular force. The additional potential energy due to molecular force per unit surface area of a liquid is called surface energy. The additional potential energy due to molecular force per unit surface area of a liquid is called surface energy. How we can write? Surface energy is equal, when we done the work, that is stored in the form of potential energy. When we done the work, stored in the form of potential energy, that's why surface energy is called work done by area. Work means W by area. SI unit, joule per meter square. CGS unit, earth per centimeter square. Dimensional formula m1 L0 t power minus 2. m1 L0 t power minus 2 is equal to surface tension. That's why surface energy is similar to the surface tension. What is the equation for surface energy? E is equal to W by A. For surface tension, force per length. Now E is equal to W by 4 pi r square, it is for sphere. T is equal to F by 2 pi r for circle. Now we want to find the surface energy. Surface energy is nothing but surface tension. Already how we can measure the surface tension we are studied in the previous class. Now here we want to determine which one? Surface energy. For that we want to take U shape of a wire. You take a wire in U shape of PQRS. On this wire we take one massless string. It is a massless, very thin string. We want to take a B parallel to which one? QR. We are slightly connected. Then after we want to dip that in water and remove. When we dip this in water and remove, when we can dip in it immediately, what I mean here, water film is formed. When we can dip and remove, immediately in this one water film is formed. But we know that one, due to surface tension, the liquid surface, the liquid is tendency to occupy the less area. That's why the thin massless wire which is at AB is moved from A to B as A dash to D dash. Why? Due to surface tension it wants to occupy the which one? Less area. So already we are connected this to the which one? One pulley which has the pan. Then you suspend the mass and we want to bring this wire from A dash to B dash. So what we are done? We are suspended some masses in it, and this masses is suspended. Then the weightless spring moves from A dash to A dash B dash to AB with a displacement of D. With the help of this we can find the which one? Again surface energy. For that here we take work formula. What is the work? Force into displacement. Again area is how much? 2L means you want to take. Now I would like to write that here how we are done the experiment. Now I am writing here E, Q, R, S in U shape. In U shape is connected with a string. The string changes its position due to the position from AB to A dash B dash at a distance D due to surface has tendency to occupy less area. Okay, why the string moves from A to B, from A B to A dash B dash at a distance d, due to surface tension. Due to surface tension, what we are studied, liquid surface has tendency to occupy less area. Now suspend the mass till the string moves from A dash B dash to AB. Work done is equal to force into distance. Force into distance. So what is that one? W is equal to F into D. F into D. Now surface energy. What is the principle? E is equal to W by A. Now E is equal to F into D by A. In this way we calculate the surface energy, means surface tension or surface energy. Okay, once again I am explaining that. You take, this is a wire of PQRS in U shape. Now you take one string AB and dip. Now take this in water and remove from water, sorry, not from water. Now take this now take this in water and remove from water. So the string changes its position from AB to A dash B dash at a distance d due to surface tension. Due to surface tension, what happened? Liquid surface has tendency to occupy less area. Means that's why it is moves in this side. Here area is more, but here area is what happened? Less. Now suspend the mass till the string moves from A dash B dash to AB. Then work done. Substitute in this equation. What is the A? The area of the film. What is the A? A means area of water film. Okay, in this way also we can calculate the surface energy.